This is what we're doing today. This is Lou from Durex.
So I know a lot of people are scared to get motorbikes here. When I first moved here, I didn't know if I would be getting one. But now I see like why I was such in a rush to go ahead and rent a bike, because I hate waiting on the Grab. It's like nothing like just having your own bike, going when you need to go. And sometimes the Grab system doesn't like work correctly, because I made the Grab for where the yoga studio is, but I don't know if they'll find me, so I'm coming out to the main road. But yeah. Thankfully, as soon as I walked out to the main road, he was here. So guys, I am back home. So the get together actually started at 5. I cannot get the key out the door. The get together actually started at 5:30, but no one, I repeat, no one goes to anything on time here. I had to learn that lesson. I would be like so amped to get to stuff on time, and yeah. So, but people are there. It's almost 7, so I'm about to get dressed real quick and then head on over there. Hey y'all, so I am ready and I'm getting ready to head over. Yes, Alexis. Thank you. Okay. Yes, to Chops. It's really close. At least try to do ninja.
Yeah, I'm trying to definitely do Sapo for sure.
Exactly.
But thank God,
Because I'm not gonna pay 100K every time though.
Yeah, so that's what it is. But he'll reimburse me. He has for me.
Guys, this is my favorite little coffee spot to come to. It's called Atlanta Coffee. But they have the best drinks, the best music, and that guy right there is the best bartender. He makes me drink strong.
Y'all be doing that shit. That's all I'm saying. I work with
But this whole place is popping now. Why? Because we wanted to get high and drink.
came here last time.
I know. Oh, that's the chicken.
Okay, this is perfect.
Hey guys, so I just called a Grab to take me home. I got me some chicken and I'm gonna call it a night. It's been a good Saturday back here in Hanoi. When I was in the States, I kept seeing everybody on Facebook going out, hanging out, having fun. I was like, y'all better not be in the house when I come back. So it was really good to get out and see everybody. But this was a day with me in Hanoi. I hope you guys enjoyed following along and I'll see you guys next time.